Did you go up there? Did you steal? Are you the one that stole my, is this mine?
No, I got it from her. Maybe
There's a bunch around.
Maybe
Was that one? I need a poncho.
Give me the camera, let me go up.
I want to shoot too.
You can shoot it too.
It's fun. Go experience nature at its finest.
Bye, Wix. I see you in hell.
It's windy. Holy shit!
Wix, you have to grab the camera. Always turn it that way.
Wait. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hurry up, Brandon.
Really bad.
I'm not going over where Laszlo is. I hope I'm zooming in the right place. I don't know.
There is cellophane.